For the Norwegian Prima, there is an interior cabin tour, room 14781. When you first walk in, again, you can see that this is a card that tells if you're home or not at home. You need to have this in order for the lights to work. They are directly below that. So if your lights are not functioning, make sure you have that card in. When you first come in, you can see that there is plenty of closet space in here. And as you keep going down, you'll see that there's a safe. This is a very small safe. It may fit a 13-inch laptop. It definitely does not fit anything larger than that, but it's only about 7 inches deep. This is one of the smaller safes that I've ever seen on a cruise or a hotel room. So just be aware of that. Make sure you do not bring anything any larger. There are also baskets, which I find quite handy. Provides much more storage space. They easily slide in and out, easy to see what's inside them. This is just one part of the closet. There actually are 2 more sections of closet. This one, when you close it, you can see has a full-length mirror. And then on this section of the closet, when you open it, has plenty of hangers, as well as a handy dandy if you don't have long things to hang, just short things. This comes down and turns into a shelf so that you have 2 areas that you can put folded items. And if you do want to have longer hanging items, just flip this back up and put it in there. And then you also have a hanging rack underneath it if you want to use that. There are, again, additional hanging baskets here for you to store items in. And then behind the door, there is a 3rd closet that has a space large enough that you can actually put your suitcase if you have a small suitcase. This room is set up as 2 twins. This also can be pushed together as a king-size bed, but it gives you an idea of what the setup looks like here. When you come in to kind of the getting ready area, there is a nice mirror, glasses if you need them, as well as one of the nicer hotel hair dryers that you can use. So this is one where you may actually not need to bring your own. I'm actually kind of impressed by the offering that they have here. There is also the phone, and you have a standard 120 volt plug here, as well as on this side you have multiple different types of plugs, both the American, European, as well as USB and USB-C. So there are plenty of plug-in options on this piece of it. You also have your room service menu if you choose to order room service. Note that there is a charge for most room types, and a telephone if you need to get a hold of anyone, make any reservations, etc. One nice thing, they do have hanging racks here, hooks here, so that you can use these hooks to hang items, whether it is towels or bathrobes or wet swimsuits or hats or whatever you may choose on this piece of it. There is, of course, also a television in the room that operates with another set of plugs underneath it that you can utilize here. And then you have some more storage here with drawers and little cubbies that you can use. And then this piece of it is the refrigerator, so you can pop in and see what some of the different offerings are that you can purchase. These are actually just to give you an idea of what you can order to have arrive and some of the costs behind those. Notice that if you are in the loyalty program and one of the higher loyalty members, you will get free bottles, or boxes I should say, of water as well when you check into your stateroom. In the bathroom, just so you know, there is a light switch on the outside, not the inside, so make sure you're aware of that. And inside the bathroom, you have, of course, your toilet, as well as towels that are hung to make it easy for you. There is plenty of storage that is outside, like a medicine cabinet, exterior facing, as well as one nice addition that I really like is a drawer where you can store items with your towels, additional cubbies that are underneath here, and then, really clever, underneath the sink opens up, and this is where your trash can is located. But there's additional storage here that's awfully handy and something that you do not typically see. I do also appreciate that the sink has liquid soap, so you don't have to worry about bar soap and it getting soft and squishy and gross and everything else. There is also a mirror. There is no magnifying mirror, however, which I'm a little disappointed by. And there's another charger here that you can plug in either 120 or 230 volts. And then, of course, you have your shower, which is actually a fairly large-sized shower. I like the door that they have. There is a string that you can hang wet items, as well as a shower head that is adjustable. My favorite feature in the shower is there is a place, ladies, for us to put our feet as we're shaving. And then also you have your toiletries. Notice that there is shampoo and there's body wash, but this conditioning shampoo does not include separate conditioner. Make sure that if you need it, that you bring it yourself. This is right by your door. It allows you to change the temperature of your room, whether you want it quick cool if you're extremely hot and need to cool it down, cooler, warmer, as well as the button to makeup room and do not disturb. So if I press makeup room, that shows that that is pressed. I do like also the fact that your lamps have additional USB-C and USB plugs so that you can easily charge things from here. That is a handy piece of additional charging that you have within here. There are some rooms that are connecting, not all of them are, but that is nice if you're traveling with a family to be able to access this as well. Have any questions? Feel free to let me know.